Hey YouTube, well, go on, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna replace our headlamp on the Nissan Altima. So if your Nissan Altima look like this, doesn't matter if it's 2015 or 2018 or 2017, it's gonna be the same procedure once it look like this. Okay, doesn't even matter if you have regular halogen bulb or LED or HID, whichever it come with. It's still gonna be the same procedure and removing the light. So let's get started. First we need to take the bumper off as much as possible. If we can't get it out with the bumper loose, then we might have to take the bumper all the way off. So with that said, let's take up this piece right here, which we're going to be removing these clips right here. So let's start on that. So guys, first we want to pick up this part right here, just like that. Link will be in the description for the tools I use, so you can check down there to get this and all the other tools you will see in this video. So far we have a clip puller, so yeah guys, what's going on? So there we go, have that off. We need to take out these clip too. We need to take out these clip too as well, because they hold on to the bumper. So anything that hold the bumper to the car, we gonna need to remove it. So now we remove. So now that's good so far. We're gonna come around here to get the, I think it's a 10mm, which go right here. 10mm goes up under there, so we gotta remove that 10mm right here. So guys, we pull this now we can see that. So there's a clip that holds the light right here, even though it goes straight through the bumper. I don't know why. Normally it would pull out when you pull on the bumper. It should pull out, but I guess this bumper is not original, so it's a little weaker than the original bumper, so that's why the clip goes through instead of it pulls out. So let's see all the screws we need to remove. So guys, let's see, we have one 10mm right here, another one right under here. I don't know if you can see that right there, but that one right there. And then you'll need to take out this 10mm right here, and this one seems like it needs to come out too. So let's take out all the 10mm. need to unplug this right here. So you want to squeeze that. Unplug that. So this is what I squeeze right here. This is what I squeeze, and then I pull back on it like this. It's time to, if I had take the bumper off, it would come out a lot easier, but because I didn't really take the bumper all the way off, putting up a fight. Let go! It will come out just like that. So guys, we have our new headlamp. As you can see, it's much cleaner than this one right here. So that's why we're changing it. So we need to work our way in. So this right here, you gotta make sure you lock it in. That's where it goes. It goes over the top, not underneath. So you want to be on top, just like that. So you can see it's going in nice. What we can do now is plug in our headlamp. Same way we plug it out. Push it till you hear the clip. Once that's locked in, we can start catch our 10 millimeters. Get one right there. Get one on the side right here. And now this one is to get it underneath here. So guys, I have everything plugged in. Before I also catch a 10 millimeters, but before I put back everything together, I want to make sure the light works. So let's test that. Alright, so everything seems to work. Let me check the indicator. Alright, so everything seems to work, guys. Let's go ahead and turn it off. And I know you've seen a light on, but the light is not on. The light is coming from that car right there, reflecting in the headlamp, but it's off. Next step, we need a catch back our clip that we put in right here. So guys, I separate the grill a little bit, not a lot, because I need to catch this this clip that goes through the light, which gonna be this that I removed earlier. So to separate the grill, you just gotta squeeze this top and pull it out from right here. So the next step, let's sketch the top. So let's start putting back the clips, guys. So once we have these clips in, that's good so far. Next step, we're gonna come right here and just bring our bumper above this. We gotta bring our bumper above this little lip under the light. All right, just like that. Just like that. I'm gonna put the 10mm up in here, and we're good on that. So guys, if you look right here, that's it good, that's it good. Now it's time to put this top piece on. And set our clips. Alright guys, so we have all the clips right here, as you can see. Oh, I forget to put these two, so let me find them. And once again, the compressor won't let me be great, guys, but you know, we're gonna keep pushing. Alright, so that's it for this video. We already tested the light, make sure the light works. Everything is back together. Once again, you can like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and also support the channels with the link down below in the description. That's it. Peace out. See you next time.